Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your TDBank's online banking account. So, there are two TDBank apps, one is for the US and another is for Canada. So to log into your TDBank's account, from both of the apps, it's almost the same. So let me show you from both of the apps. So first of all, let's open the US one. Now, once you open your mobile banking app, your interface will look somewhat like this. Now, in order to log into your account, you can tap any one of the 5 options on the top side of your screen, namely account, transfer, deposit, send money, and pay a bill. You can tap on any one of these and then it will take you to this page where you'll have to enter your username, and then once you enter your password, you'll be successfully logged into your TD Bank's account. And now for the Canada's app, so let's open it. And now the interface will look somewhat like this. So in order to log in, it is the same for this app as well. You can tap on any one of the options on the top side of your screen, and then it will ask you to enter your username or your access card. And once you enter password and then tap login, you'll be successfully logged into your TD Bank's online banking account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.